So in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the fully working Monkey app. It's fully working on iPhone in 2024. So keep watching and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to get it. This is super insane, guys, and it actually works. So let's get right into the video. And I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the fully working Monkey app, guys. This is super cool and it actually works. So I'm going to show you guys exactly how to download it. It doesn't require a jailbreak or a computer. So as you can see, there it is. So as you can see, I have a fully working Monkey app. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So what you need to do is go to Zoo Mods. The site has tons of mods for apps and games. So let me just go ahead and type it in right here. So once you're on the site, guys, just go to the search bar and type in Monkey app. So as you can see, guys, it says Monkey. And there it is, Monkey app. So just download it, you're good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try us out. I'll see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. But yes, it's super insane, guys, and it fully works. So if you go to the App Store and type in Monkey, you guys can see there is nothing there. So let me just go ahead and do that right here. So as you can see, this is Monkey Run, which is not the right app. So yeah, it says this is not the app. So anyways, guys, be sure to go ahead and try it out. There's all these like fake ones, which is so dumb. This one has no reviews either, so be sure to go ahead and try it out, guys. It's super cool. All you gotta do is go to Zoo Mods. You're gonna be all set. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. I'll see you guys later. But yes, it's super awesome. Fully works, guys. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. It's just super cool, guys. It fully works, and yeah, it's not requiring a jailbreak or anything like that. So if this video works for you guys, definitely go ahead and share it. See you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel, guys. This is super awesome. It fully works, and yeah, it's super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super cool. It fully works, guys, and it doesn't require you to jailbreak or do computers or any of that. So that is super cool. So be sure to go ahead and try it out. You just have to go to Zoo Mods, and you're going to be all good to go. So be sure to go ahead and try it out for yourself. Get the word out. This is so cool. Actually working version, guys. So try it out today and get the word out. I'm going to see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. Enjoy the content. Peace out.